We often think of date nights as fancy dinners out, but did you know that a date night at home can be just as special and intimate? In today's video, we'll guide you through how to create a memorable date night experience right in the comfort of your own home. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today we're exploring how to host a delightful date night at home. This is a fantastic way to spend quality time with your partner without the stress of planning or the cost of going out. Let's get started. First things first, setting the scene. Creating the perfect ambience is key to a memorable date night at home. Your home's atmosphere plays a vital role in making the evening feel special. Adjust the lighting to set the tone. Candles, string lights, or a dimmed lamp can create a cozy, intimate vibe. Choose soft blankets and cushions for comfort, especially if your activity involves sitting on the floor or lounging. Second, crafting the perfect playlist. Music is another essential element. Curate a playlist that matches your theme, whether it's romantic classics, upbeat retro hits, or soothing instrumentals. Don't forget to personalize your space with small details like fresh flowers, handwritten notes, or personalized items that hold sentimental value. Third, planning your activities. Interactive and engaging activities can elevate your at-home date nights. Consider games and puzzles for a bit of fun and friendly competition. Dive into a strategic board game like Ticket to ride or unwind with a classic card game such as Rummy. For a more personalized twist, host a trivia night with questions based on shared experiences and inside jokes. Fourth, getting creative with DIY projects. Channel your inner artist with a paint and sip night at home. Gather some canvases, brushes, and your favorite drinks and follow an online tutorial or freestyle your creations. The comparison of your final masterpieces can lead to laughter and a sense of accomplishment. For something more sentimental, start a scrapbook documenting your favorite memories as a couple or embark on a DIY project like crafting personalized gifts. Fifth, setting up a cozy movie night. Turn your living room into a cozy movie theater with a cinema night theme. Choose a lineup of your favorite films or curate a themed movie marathon. Romantic classics, action-packed adventures, or indie favorites. Create a schedule to add structure and anticipation to the night. Set the stage with floor cushions, fluffy blankets, and fairy lights for a cozy vibe. Hang a homemade cinema night sign to make it feel official. Prepare popcorn in decorative bowls, nachos with dips, and a candy bar with all your favorites. Wear relaxed loungewear like matching pajamas or cozy hoodies to fully embrace the homey atmosphere. Sixth, preparing the food. A successful date night at home isn't just about the setting, it's also about the food. Selecting the right dishes can set the tone for a cozy, intimate experience that enhances the evening. Whether you're sharing small bites or embarking on a gourmet adventure, the right food can make all the difference. Small plates are perfect for encouraging sharing and creating a relaxed atmosphere. A cheese board with a variety of cheeses, cured meats, olives, and nuts offers a flavorful experience that sparks conversation. Finger foods like bacon-wrapped potatoes or stuffed mushrooms are easy to prepare and eat. For a more indulgent experience, consider gourmet dishes like surf and turf, featuring juicy steak paired with fresh seafood. If you're up for a hands-on culinary adventure, try making homemade pasta together. Seventh, pampering and wellness. A spa-themed date night at home is an ideal way to unwind. Prioritize self-care and share moments of relaxation with your partner. Turn your bathroom or living area into a soothing retreat with a bubble bath experience. Enhance the ambience by dimming the lights and using scented candles, fairy lights, or even a diffuser with calming essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus. Prepare soft towels, fluffy robes, and slippers for a touch of luxury. DIY facials can make the evening both engaging and restorative. For a tactile experience, trade gentle massages with oils or lotions that enhance relaxation. finally keep the magic alive. Continue exploring new activities and ideas for future date nights. Each evening is an opportunity to create special memories and try new things. Encourage your partner to share their favorite activities or ideas for your next date night, keeping both of you engaged and excited. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and cozy night inspirations. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching and happy date night planning.